Now exercise fourth, question number 15. We have to evaluate since I already solved this question. I am doing some steps directly. So it's 15th. This question is cube root. Square root of 0. First of all cube root, then after that this is square root. Okay. So 0.0000729. So plus again cube root of 0.008. So it is again cube root. So first of all, this number is square number. So we have to find the root of this particular. So this is square root. So we have to find the number. Or what number? This is the value. So first of all, this is a decimal number. Up to how many places? 6 decimal places. So first of all, just check for this number. If you go on just like checking with this number directly, there will be some mistake in solving. So 729. So just below 7, any square number? Yes. 2 2s are 4. 4. So it's how much? 329. So for what number? This ending 0, 47. Yeah, just like as I said, I solved already this question, so I know. But still, how to check this? Just like for any number, just like for 2, yeah, 3. So for 2 into 2, how much? Take 2 square, how much? 4. Then after that 3 3, 9, 4 4, 16, 5 5, 25, 6 6, 36. Then 7 7, 7 7, how much? 49. So obviously, let's check whether this. So 47. So we know already. We discussed about this particular topic before also. So I'm putting some questions directly as I see. So I'm putting some steps actually. So 47 into 7, how much? Let's check it out. 47 into 7. 7 7, 49. 7 to 28. 28. Yes, 32. 329. 329. So this one, 329. We can put it directly. 329. So 329. So for this 7 to 9, 27. So up to here some this. We got to know this 7 to 9, 27 into 27. Okay, for this 7 to 9. But this is up to 6 decimal places. So you already studied about this in class 7 already. You have some previous classes how to solve this kind of, how to get the solution of this kind of. So this up to how many? 6 decimal places. So put this also to some 6 decimal places. 0.027. So see here up to how many decimal places? 3. And here also up to how many decimal places? 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. 1 to 3, 4 5 6. Okay, 6 decimal places. So this is the exact. So this root over that cube root. Now same for this 0.0088. So we know already what is this is a cube root. Okay, not square root again. This only is the square root. Then before that is cube root. So 0.008. So this one. So for 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Up to how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means what? 0.2, 0.2 and 0.2. From here 1 decimal places, from here 1 decimal places, and from here 1 decimal places. So how many? Over here 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 decimal places. So put it directly. So if you put up 0.2 into 0.2. this one 0.2. So we can remove this root. So 0.27. If you have any some confusion, it's like this is already 2 times to 2. So before that this root, this is already 2 times. So 0.2 square. So just above that this is square root. So 2 into 1 by 2 how much? This 2 cancel. This 2 into 1 by 2 how much? This got cancelled out. So obviously this only 0.27 remains. So you can pause the video and write down. Okay. So this one, I am rewriting it again. Cube root of, so this one 0.27. 0.027. Sorry. And plus root over 0.2 again 0.2. For this 0.27, 0.027 after how many decimals? 3 decimal places. So now I think all of you got the point. So this for this 0.027. So you know how to this how to do this. First of all, check it out this one. 3 into 3 to power cube this particular. Okay. For 3 cube this particular cube value. So this is 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Because one place is from here, one from here, one from one. So 3. So up to 3 decimal places. So this is what? 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Okay. So this is if you really want to go deep into the just like not deep exactly, just do some few basics beyond this. Just like this cube root. So 0.3 is 3 times so to the power 3. This root over. So this is 1 by 3. So 3 cancelled out. So only 0.3 remains. So 0.3 plus 0.2 equal to 0.5. So this is the final solution.